espresso cup filter. Good morning. Oops, I guess this is better. Ugh, it's all bad, to be honest. So we are in Algarve, South Portugal, and today we're going to go sea kayaking. We're going to explore some caves. There's a ton of caves, sea caves along the coast. I did that once on the big island of Hawaii, and that was interesting, but we'll see. For my Billabong suit that I bought at the Aztec surf shop with some little Roxy board shorts I got from REI. These are super stretchy and great for surfing. And then underneath, I'm just gonna wear my body glove, cute little suit that I have.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. We're new people, let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down.
The water started getting really rough, and the tour company decided that this would be the last kayaking trip of the day. It was pretty sketchy getting in and out of the caves. I have some kayaking experience, but I've only gone into sea caves once or twice, and this was a bit past my comfort zone, especially when that huge boat came out of the cave and almost ran over several kayakers. I was kind of like, I really don't want to go any further. But we made it out alive and ended up kayaking into this little cove with a little beach. It was super cool, and we ended up exploring some little caves around it. said we could swim around to the other cove that was just around the other side of the rock. So I decided to do that. The water was really cold and rough. We then spent about an hour trying to get back in rough sea. We made it back to the hotel alive and ate some dinner, had some drinks by the pool and just relaxed, and finished out the night with a nice drink. Thanks for watching.